Hey guys, today we're unboxing a little chainsaw limb pruner type deal. It's a SeeSii cordless pole saw, made in China, of course. Very, very inexpensive. And it's got a brushless motor in it. So we're gonna see. As many of you know, checking fence and keeping trees and stuff off the fence and trees out of the fields and fruit trees. Fruit trees is a great place, or you usually need a lot of poles. You know, you need a pole saw and some different things like that. So let's open this bad boy up and see what we got. Jeez, it looks pretty nice, actually. Comes with two 21-volt batteries. Pretty good. 4 amp hour batteries. Here's the chainsaw. There's a chainsaw portion to it, and then there's the pole saw portion to it. We'll take a look at that here in a minute. It's got a little itty bitty baby chain on it. 8-inch. It's got an 8-inch. So far I'm actually impressed with the darn thing. Pretty nice. Let's just get everything out of the box so we can get rid of the box. This is the pole saw part of it. And of course we have the battery charger. Kind of weird. According to this, they're at full charge, so we'll see what happens. I remember as a kid, whenever we used to get, if you got Chinese or even Japanese stuff, Chinese, Japanese, and Taiwanese products, they're pretty well junk. Here's a pair of gloves they sent. Always liked these gloves. We used this type of glove in the woods whenever we were cutting trees. Is a secondary glove, or a glove to keep you warm. We had a cotton glove that went over top of this, and that's how we kept our hands warm in the winter time. There is a pair of safety glasses, a squirter bottle. I'm guessing that's for oil. This here would be a can't even get in the bag. That would be like a shoulder strap to hold this thing up. Screwdriver, and then an extra chain. So being it already has partial charge on it, I'm going to stick it together here and see what it will do. Let's see what it does here. Woohoo! Pretty impressive, actually. So I think we ought to take it out and see how it does. go get some oil and put it in there. And I wanted to head to the other farm and make a different video, make another video. So let's take this with us and see how it does. I'm actually kind of impressed. I have another 8-inch, I believe it's an 8-inch chainsaw. I believe it's an 8-inch chainsaw on a Ryobi that runs off Ryobi batteries. It's a 18 volt. As far as I'm concerned, this thing here can just disappear. But I know some of you would not like to see that come off just for safety reasons. So I'll just leave it on there until we get done with this video. And then we'll take it off. Kind of amazes me how people get on you about safety when you know it's not necessarily just for a safety deal. It's just a reason for somebody to jump all over you. Let's look and see what kind of oil this thing takes. All bar oil in the tank, which is not included. It's not recommended to fill the tank too full. Press button to oil chain. Let chain rotate after pressing. So it's kind of a, yeah. The best oil to use is Oregon oil or any ordinary lubrication oil. Also can be used for it. It's suggested that you oil every 10 to 15 cuts. So yeah, let's go get this thing fired up and going. And I'm assuming this bottle here is to put oil in it there, but I'm not going to be doing that. Okay guys, let's head outside. Okay guys, we're back here at the woods. I just wanted to try this saw out real quick and let you guys know how it works out. I stopped and I grabbed some oil for in it. Oil goes in right here. I don't know, this oil may be too thin. I don't know, it's the one we use. It's the oil that we use in our Ryobi bar and chain. It's gonna let's see how much we spill here. Oop, a little bit. It's full. It's all the more it holds. I can spit that much. So it doesn't take much oil, I guess. Put that down. So I'm curious, guys. I'm really curious. Now this saw chain has not been sharpened, so I don't know how it's gonna cut. And if you're gonna be running a chainsaw, don't forget your safety glasses. These are safety glasses. That's impressive. That is freaking impressive for Chinese. I'm impressed. I am impressed, guys. Nice. Nice. Wow. It's pretty cool. Now, I could try to cut some bigger stuff. I really don't have anything bigger here to cut. To see how it handles the bigger stuff. Down here's a black gum. Yeah, what the heck. That's impressive. That's really impressive. Impressive, guys. Never would have thought. Well, let's see what the now these are hardwoods, so we're not even cutting softwood. So let's see, these here are cherry trees. So it's not like we're cutting, you know, pine or anything like that. So this here's the end that the saw goes on. Saw goes on there like that, and it goes like that, and then the pole. Wow, that's spring loaded. That's cool. Tighten that up. Okay, let's see what we got here. I didn't bring my harness for it. The harness clips on here and it would make this a lot easier to handle. However, it's not that bad. And I really hate to say this. I have a still pole saw that goes on my weed whacker, and it's not even close to being as good as this is. So I really recommend this. This is a sweet little tool. I'll put a link in the description down below where you can buy this tool, and I believe I have a promo code for it as well. So if you're thinking about getting a little chainsaw, throw in your buggy to cut trees off the fence, this here would be one to do it with. Are you going to cut 16, 18-inch trees with it? No. This saw is not designed to do that. However, I wouldn't be afraid to take on a 16-inch tree if I needed to, just to make couple cuts to get it off the fence. You're not going to cut firewood with it. Nice. Nice. Okay guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Great little saw. It's amazing how things have cordless drills or cordless. It's amazing how cordless hand tools have come in a very short period of time. And I would say in a very short period of time, 30 years, I guess, is the first one I had was a power screwdriver. And I thought I had $1 million whenever I had that. And then how things have evolved with stuff like this. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, hit that notification bell. And we'll see you on the next video. So long.